Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Diane, and guess what we got in the mail just now? My ice cream beauty bag, yay! So let's open her up and see what's in it. I did not get ice cream box or bag last month, so this is going to be exciting. And my tracking thing says that the box is due in tomorrow. So here we are. We're going to open it up and see what we got. Let's see. And we have a little November holiday prep, it says, describing all the products. Anyway, let's just dive in and see what we got. First is Bobe Beauty. It's one of those fancy dancy liquid eyeshadows, I think. We got one of these before in a white, I think it was. This is in chocolate bronze. Yeah, it's an liquid eyeshadow. Oh, ooh, how pretty is that, y'all? Oh my gosh. And that's your shade. Pretty. Okay, we just got to swatch this. Look there. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at how it catches the light. That is a gorgeous gold color. I love it. Okay. So we have that. Now let's see what else we got. Next, we have, let's see, Lash Step. Says Snatched Mascara. Now, I've never seen a mascara in one of these little packets before, but first time for everything, I guess. All right, I had to get scissors to open that up, but here it is. That's a pretty case. All right, it says Lash Step on it. Let's look at the wand. Ooh, very big and fluffy, especially at the end. Wow. I can't wait to try that. All right, so we got us a nice full-size mascara. Now let's see what else. We have, what is this? Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm. And let's see what this is like. And there's the shade. Let's just see what that looks like. Well, let's see. Let's go over here. Pretty light, but better than nothing. I would try it on, but I've got my lipstick on, so. Actually, you know what? We can take that off. You know how I am. I can't stand it. I have to try a new lip product as soon as I get it. So let's just try that lip balm. Let's get this off. And we'll try it. It is fixing to storm out there, y'all. And the wind is picking up. I can hear it. All right. Let's try this. Very soft and silky. And I like the shade. Has a slight pleasant scent, kind of almost like baby powder. Wow. Look though, y'all. Then when I went to put it back down, uh-oh. Don't want it to fall apart before I even get to use it. Oh well. Okie dokie. Now let's see what we got. Something big. It's probably going to be a setting spray, I bet. Nope. Ooh, it's a nice big brush. I could use that. Cheeky Rose Beauty. And it's a foundation brush. Let's look at it. Wow, nice. Nice, y'all. Look how wide. Ooh, and the perfect density. And just as soft. Oh, wow. I can just picture blending foundation with this. Oh, wow. I am excited. I like that. Okay. In my opinion, you can never have too many brushes because by the time that you decide you want to make up, they're all dirty. That's the way mine are. Anyway, I've got to wash my brushes. And then we have got, looks like the last thing in here is our palette. And like I've said before with Eyescream Beauty, whether it's the box or the bag, you always get a palette. So this time our palette it's a full-size one too. And it is Dee Dee's Signature, the Classic Autumn Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, this is going to be interesting. And there it is out of the sleeve. Looks just like the sleeve. There is a mirror. A little mirror. And there's our shades. Aren't they pretty? Wow, one row of shimmers, one row of mattes. Awesomeness. We're going to swatch, y'all. We are going to swatch. We'll do the shimmers first, of course. There's the first four. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. That is amazing. Now, I've got to get my wipe handy because my fingers are all a mess. That is amazing. I can't wait. Can't wait to play with this. But I've got so many new palettes that I can't wait to play with. It might have to take a number. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and try the last two shimmers and then we'll do the mattes. We got to get into this green, y'all. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? And the green, of course, is a duochrome. It shifts to yellow. That is so beautiful. Let's see if the mattes are as nice. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Here's the last two mattes. So pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness, they named this one right. Wow. The Classic Autumn Palette by Dee Dee's Signature. Now, I'm not familiar with that, but that is insanely beautiful. Wow, I'm a happy, happy camper. Nice. Very, very nice. I'm excited. So, for my $12.50, I got an absolutely gorgeous fall palette. I got a really nice foundation brush. I got a tinted lip balm, which I'm still wearing, and you can still see the tint. I got a full-size mascara from Lash Step, and, which is over there, I got a gorgeous gold shimmer liquid eyeshadow. All for $12.50. I mean, you'd expect to pay probably more than that for this right here. Just this mascara. This was a wonderful bag. I don't think I've had a better bag from them in a long time. So, anyhow, thank you all so much for watching. And hopefully I'll be back, probably not until Wednesday, because I won't be home till late Tuesday night. But I'll probably see you again on Wednesday, and we will open up the Eyescream Beauty Box together. And let's see what goodies they've got in there for me. Alrighty, we'll talk with you next time. Bye.